Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RV project. I think this is going to be RV6 maybe. We're going to put up some wallpaper today. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. All right, so I'm going to spin you around and show you what I've been up to. Everything is glued up. Let me zoom you out. And then there were where the seams got together. So I put some plastic wood filler stuff. I just got it at the big box store. I put that where all the seams go together. And 90% of them are really good. Here we had a little bit more gap. So I had to put some in, let it dry, sand it. And I had to put some more in, which I will have to sand. It's still drying. See them seams, everybody worked out pretty good. There's a couple that are a little wobbly, but I don't know. I think we're golden. Oop, that was kind of wet. That was a dumb move. Anyways, there you go, guys. Drink. My wife has got some wallpaper design that she likes. Put some flowers on it or something. And now I'm gonna start wallpapering so I can start putting this beast back together. Bring it back in a bit. Okay, little update, show you. I was gonna set the tripod up in here, but I think it would be embarrassing if you was watching me do this. No, the rolls aren't going as far as I thought, and I'm really not wasting. It's hard because my wife got a flower pattern that you have to match the patterns up. So you get a little bit of waste at the top and the bottom, but what are you gonna do? But I'll show you what I got so far. Ooh, that was a big hand. Back you up. So, actually, yeah, you see like right there. It's not perfect, but looking back, it's a lot better than a rotten, sticking out, nasty looking wall. Really don't have as much waste as I thought. But I'm gonna keep on with all I have, and we're gonna get 2 more rolls. Just to, just because we're gonna need them. Anyways, more wallpaper. All right, guys. Well, we're back in the coach in the RV. Got a good bit of wallpapering done yesterday. Not complete, but complete enough where we can start putting some stuff back up. So the goal today, right over here, we're gonna put some cupboards up. We're gonna try to get the microwave back in. Get a little piece of wallpaper to put there to button everything off. Put the frame around here. So I'll show you when we start getting some stuff in there. All right, guys. These cupboards are a pain. They came down really easy, as per how it usually goes. Nothing ever goes back up good. But I'll spin you around and show you where I'm at. So we got the little guy up. Let's get this board back here. It's not the best, but there's wires back there, and I just got this guy up there. It's just got a couple screws holding them in right now. I'll back you up. But I have to get all these wires routed down and around. Now I did this like this because, well, this is what I came up with. So now I gotta go fishing. But hey, look at that. We're getting there. We're getting there. Just a quick little snippet. The wallpaper's done. It's up. It didn't go on too bad. We didn't order enough, so we had to wait a couple days for Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. So, that right there is going to be covered by backsplash. I think I went over that already. Oh, yeah. Zoom me out a little bit. There we go. Ooh, there are some pattern mismatches and some seams that aren't the best, but I'm not going to tell you what ones they are. And that's pretty much it. Wallpaper's up, and I'm happy. Now it's time to get the carpet and seat back in. Oh, almost done. What's up, guys? I did it. I'm just about done with the inside. There's just some nitpicking little things. The sink kind of came unhinged when my big butt was sitting on it. the cracked countertop that I did from climbing up and down, I don't think that's going to get fixed before the trip. But the bulk of everything, I'm going to spin you around. I'm going to show you what's up. There's the microwave. Oh, this backsplash ain't up 100% yet because I gotta ask the boss about something, whether something's gonna something. So until the boss says to do it, I'm gonna leave that there right now. We got everything cleaned up, and I did make a little mess here and there, but we got all of the frame things around. Door frame, even the ones we broke, we figured it out. We got some extra screws, got it in there. I'm going to get some white caulking just to put around a couple areas where things that just, I couldn't get the wallpaper perfect because, well, that's the first time I ever put wallpaper up. But look at that. Oh, I am so happy. But this isn't going to be the last video. Once I get her all cleaned up, come do a little walkthrough. But I got the coach running now. I'm gonna re-level it out, and I'm gonna put the slides out. And I know it sounds stupid, I didn't have them out before, but I did that for a reason, to maintain and keep the mess close. But my wife's turn to come in and do her thing with cleaning and stocking, because we just bought this RV. Spinning around, we just bought this RV in November, and everything that happened was a little bit of a surprise. We knew we were going to have to do some work, and there were a whole bunch of things I was fixing, little things, and then this happened. But anyways, that's all I got for now.